So let's get to the fun part and see what's in the box. This is your Oracle Hearing 2.0. Slide it open. First, you've got a notice to remind you to take the stickers off the batteries. That's just there to make sure the battery is nice and fresh when you get the hearing aids. Number 2 is better hearing in 21 days. We know that it takes time to get used to hearing aids and hearing all those sounds again. So this is just a guide to get you started. Then we have our Let's Get Started guide, which is going to go over all the information that I'm giving to you right now. And then we have the Relearning Sound User's Guide. This goes into your hearing aids in more depth. It's going to give you some troubleshooting advice and answer questions. If you can't find it in here, you can always reach out to our customer service. Then you've got your hearing aids. You'll see this is the case, and we open it up, and you've got red and blue hearing aids. Red is for your right ear, blue is for your left. It also indicates R and L on the bottom. We're going to go over this in more detail later. In addition, you have domes or tips that go on the end of the hearing aid, on this part that goes into your ear. It comes with a medium on, but we offer a variety of sizes, small, medium, and large, so you can change it out for what works best for your ears. And then you've got the charging cable. So the case is also a charging case. You're going to plug it in there, and then plug the USB into any charging port you have at your home. So the nice thing is that the case holds a charge. So if you go away for a couple of days, you don't necessarily need to bring your charging and plug it in every night as long as the case is fully charged.